Sir, many they happen for All Progressive Congress now. We dey hear say some leaders, they talk say they won't defect, they won't move. We dey hear say some won't enter. The matter no clear way. Now, all these things, it go make the party may strong where we are weak, because we need to know how all this defection, how you want to affect the standard way APC don't already get for the country.
Well, you mean for Nigeria or before Edo?
May we start from we state level?
No, for we state, you know, say, like I tell you, this is not the season. Now, if you look around, you go see, say, at least for this country now, at least more than 10, 15 people don't they come and say they want to be president. And they know, say, now only one person now go represent APC. So you go see, say, most of the people, or let me say some of the people will come out because they feel, say, no space. Because for our side here, the position not vacant again. We get 7 president. And all of us don't say we get confidence in them. So everybody don't nearly clear, say, this man, now we go still choose. So when they see that kind of thing, some of them go find their way, go look for other places where they feel, say, it go better for them. One alternative way they think, say, they go forget na PDP. So you see most of them go PDP. Even for the PDP, some of them still know, say, they not go forget them. What did they go do? They will go put one party somewhere. Party where they inside garage, where nobody know, you not get councillor, you not get anything. But they know, say, once they just bring up, now they sponsor, their name go feature for INEC, say them be presidential candidate. Some people, they will not be say they really want to be president. They just want to answer that name, former presidential candidate. So you go see people like that now, they go from state to state. They look for job men. Where they go say, na be their state chairman, na be their leader, na be their this, na be their, they will package more money, give them. So you will see some people too, where they party, they will say, instead of this money to miss me, make I just first step out. Go play that role. After the season, they will tell you, say, they don't come join party again. They trace their step. Because nobody deceive them. We they see them every day, not be today. So it happen. When you see somebody begin behave like say, you know, get sense, you know, say something there inside.